Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix iMessage or FaceTime stuck in verified mode. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to call again. So, the first step is scrolling down from this side of the screen and you're gonna appear in this control panel tab. And basically, you're gonna want to tap on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and then tap on it again to turn it off. If that didn't work, try this method. So go to settings, general, scroll down, reset, and then tap on reset, and it's gonna ask you to choose what type of reset you want. So basically you're gonna want to tap on reset internet connection, and then once it does that, it's gonna clear all the bugs that may be causing your problem, and that's pretty much it. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment